Hello everyone and my dear VR travelers. I welcome everyone to Egypt. In this video, we are going to see one of the most beautiful temples in ancient Egypt, the Hatshepsut Mortuary Temple, which is located in the west bank of Nile, opposite to the city of Luxor. The entire temple is built under the mountain, and it took 15 years to complete this temple and was considered as Queen Hatshepsut's biggest achievement. The temple of Hatshepsut has three floors. After her death, most of the structures of the temple was destroyed. Now what you're going to see is the restored structures of the temple. Still the restoration of the parts of the temple are on progress, which is expected to complete by 2020.
An dem Tag hat mein Bus mich über eine halbe Stunde verspätet. Ich war sauer mit dem Busfahrer. Und wegen der Verspätung.
The temple walls have the pictorial representation of the ancient Egypt history that happened during the times of Queen Hatshepsut. History like how trading was done between the different states was also shown here. The third level of the temple has many statues which you can see in the left and right side of the entrance of the temple, and the courtyard built with various columns and restoration are still in progress on those areas of the temple. I thanks again for watching this video. If you guys like this video, leave a thumbs up and stay subscribed to my channel for more 360 videos. And I see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.